Keeping your floors clean shouldn't require harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing, and that's where a steam mop can make a huge difference. By using the power of high-temperature steam, these cleaners can break down stubborn dirt, sanitize surfaces, and remove up to 99.9% of germs using just water, making them an effective and eco-friendly way to clean your home. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best steam mops that actually deliver. Models that combine strong cleaning power, smart design, and great value to make everyday floor cleaning faster and easier. Now, before we dive in, make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 5, Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. If you're tired of scrubbing floors by hand, the Shark Spin Mop Pro might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Unlike traditional steam mops that rely entirely on your effort, this model uses 2 powerful spinning mop heads to do most of the work for you. We love this feature. It made floor cleaning effortless and even allowed us to operate the mop with just one hand. The mop heats up in about 30 seconds, getting you started almost instantly. It performed exceptionally well on dried, set-in messes and grime, especially on bathroom tiles. Its lightweight, streamlined design and excellent swivel made it easy to reach tricky areas, including under the fridge and kitchen cabinets, which are often overlooked with traditional mops. However, it's not perfect. The spinning pads are designed to scrub and loosen dirt, but they don't absorb debris effectively. After breaking up dust and hair, the mop sometimes pushed clumps around, meaning we had to go back and clean up afterward. The cord also felt a bit flimsy and often got in the way while maneuvering. Another consideration is versatility. This mop is built primarily for floors. It isn't suitable for walls, shower tiles, or other surfaces. Combined with a slightly high price point, it might be worth waiting for a sale unless you plan to use it heavily on your floors. Overall, the Shark Spin Mop Pro delivers impressive cleaning power with minimal effort, especially for tile and hard floors. It's a solid choice if floor cleaning is your main priority, but consider its limitations before making the investment. Number 4, Hoover Steam Complete Pet Steam Cleaner. If your bathroom or kitchen grout lines are looking dull, the Shark Spin Mop Pro with handheld steamer can make a noticeable difference. Its standout feature is grout cleaning, thanks to the detachable handheld steamer and stiff grout brush attachment. This combo helps lift embedded dirt effectively, leaving grout visibly brighter after a few passes. The process does require wiping away dirty water afterward, but the results justify the extra step. The mop heats up quickly in about a minute and includes adjustable steam settings for different cleaning needs. On standard floors, it handles dried stains and grime well, leaving a streak-free surface that dries in around 5 minutes. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and its triangular head reaches corners efficiently. However, it struggles with larger debris and requires constant trigger pressure to release steam, which may cause discomfort during extended use. Overall, it's a strong option for deep tile and grout cleaning. Number 3, BISSELL PowerFresh Pet Steam Mop. I have to say, I was honestly impressed with the BISSELL Steam Mop right from the start. It heats up in just 30 seconds and offers 2 steam settings, which means you're ready to tackle messes almost instantly. On my tile floors, it handled everyday grime effortlessly, but the real test came with a dried-on pet mess on my faux hardwood. I was nervous about using steam on that surface, but the mop cleaned it in seconds, a job that would have taken soaking and tons of scrubbing with my old mop. For really sticky spots, there's a scrubber brush on the back of the mop head. Just step on it to lock it in place, and it powers through tough messes. The mop head also swivels easily, making it simple to clean tight spots, like around the base of the toilet. But the standout feature has to be the detachable handheld pod. It comes with 13 attachments, including a grout tool and a fabric steamer, which makes it incredibly versatile. Unlike a wet vac, which can develop a terrible smell over time, this is a true steam mop. The washable microfiber pad is easy to toss in the laundry after cleaning, keeping everything fresh and hygienic. Overall, the BISSELL Steam Mop makes tough cleaning jobs faster, easier, and way less messy. If you want a powerful, reliable, and versatile steam mop, this one is definitely worth checking out. Number 2, PurSteam 10 in 1 Steam Mop. Not only does the PurSteam 10 in one Steam Mop clean and scour surfaces, but it also has 9 attachments that can be used with the detachable handheld steamer for careful cleaning, making it an easy top pick. We've actually tested it multiple times over the past 2 years, and it frequently comes out on top, performing especially well on tile and grout. Plus, thanks to the attachments, you can use this lightweight pick for cleaning windows and glass, and on fabric like upholstery, curtains, and even the clothes in your closet. At 4.4 pounds, it's actually the lightest Steam Mop on our list, making it easy enough to carry from room to room or up and downstairs. The large mop head easily turns, a benefit since larger spaces can be cleaned more quickly. The pump inside the water tank makes a sound and vibrates when the tank is out of water, too, which continues to strike us as a helpful feature. And, to top it all off, it heats up quickly at just under 30 seconds. During one of our tests, this mop was challenged by hard candy stuck on glass, so there are some limitations to its powerful cleaning. However, the mop pads are easy to switch, pop into the washing machine, and then put back onto the mop. They also hold up well, so you don't have to restock them right away. The cord length, 15.9 feet, is shorter than that of other models on this list, and could be a nuisance when you're trying to clean several areas at a time, but otherwise, this continues to be our top recommendation for a Steam Mop. Number 1. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to keep your floors spotless, the Shark Steam Mop is a game-changer. During our at-home testing, this mop proved you don't need a high price tag or complicated features to get a deep, sanitizing clean. We had a parent of 6 put it to the test on tile kitchen and bathroom floors, which see heavy foot traffic and daily food spills. She was impressed, saying it obliterated both fresh messes and set-in stains in just 1 or 2 passes. Setup is simple, and it heats up in under a minute. It operates with a single steam setting that activates naturally with a back-and-forth mopping motion. For stubborn sticky spots, you can pump the handle to generate a steam boost, effective, though slightly more effort than having a dedicated higher steam setting. Weighing just around 4 pounds, the mop is easy to maneuver. Its long 18-foot cord allows you to clean large rooms without constantly switching outlets. The textured, reusable cloth pads do an excellent job of getting into grout lines, and after cleaning, they wash in the machine without shrinking or warping. For anyone dealing with the daily chaos of a busy home, this mop hits the sweet spot between simplicity, effectiveness, and affordability. It's our top choice for a straightforward, reliable steam cleaning solution. If you want a hassle-free way to sanitize your floors without spending a fortune or juggling complicated features, the Shark Steam Mop is definitely worth checking out. Stick around as we break down its pros, cons, and tips for getting the best results. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.